Hello, I'm Marcel. I'm a personal chef and here to inspire and support you with your diet. In this video, I would like to share with you what I always have in my fridge ready to create some scrumptious dishes. So first of all, I'd like to tell you how important it is what you have in your kitchen laying around and what you have available in your surroundings, because what you see is what you eat. So basically, you eat what you make available in your kitchen and environment. That means if you fill your pantry with high processed ingredients and junk food, that is what you're going to eat. If you fill your pantry with nuts, seeds, grains and legumes, this is going to be your food. That is a very simple and effective theory, but it requires doing. So if you would come over to my kitchen, one thing that you can be sure of always to find in my pantry is nuts and dried fruits. With these two things, I can already create so many different variations of desserts, like energy bliss balls, for example, or raw cookies, Snicker bars, Bounty bars. Another thing that I have always in my freezer are frozen bananas and avocados. With these beautiful ingredients, I always have the base ready to create delicious smooth ice cream, for example, or mousse or smoothie bowls. Another thing that I highly suggest that you always have in the pantry as well are nut butters. All kinds of nut butters really, tahini, peanut butter, cashew butter, almond butter, you name it. For example, you could create a quick salad with tahini orange dressing. And lately I've been making a delicious dish made with carrots and spinach. That's why I have these two ingredients in my fridge for about a week already. So what you can do instead of using rice or any kinds of grains, you can replace it with cauliflower to have a low-carb version of rice. But instead of cauliflower, I'm using carrot these days, and I just blend them in the food processor until I have rice consistency. Then I saute my spinach with sesame oil and tahini butter, creating a really nice, smooth, creamy sauce, and pour that over my carrot rice. It's so good, it's so satisfying, very simple dish, but just so delicious. Sometimes I add tofu strips or scrambled tofu over the spinach, and it's just so satisfying and delicious, simple but very nutritious. So these are the ingredients I always have in my kitchen, and if you start applying this concept into your kitchen, you will see what wonder it will bring. It can be really life-changing because you can only eat what you have in your kitchen. Of course, you can always go out and buy things that you want to buy or that you're craving for. Give it a try, you will see the difference, because we are always going to choose what is closest and more convenient for us before we choose to go out to get something else. So if you have healthy and nutritious ingredients and food in your home, you will definitely choose to go with that first. And also be patient with your taste buds. Your taste buds will gradually start going back to its natural behavior and you will start tasting more. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions that you want me to go through, just comment down below. And for more information, you can also visit my website, maricelsvegancrush.com. For more inspiration, you can find me on Instagram, Maricels Vegan Crush, or Facebook under Vegan Crush. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm looking forward to see you on my next video.